morning and welcome to JCT's Fascinating Hobbies, and we're back again today with the JVC 3660EK. Now last time we had a problem where playback would basically shut down after a few seconds. We also had a problem where there was just noise on the screen. Now I thought it may be Duff video heads, so I gave the video heads a clean, and that didn't seem to resolve the issue. Also, Duff video heads do seem to exhibit themselves in a different way, which is basically scratchy noise on the screen, not just a continuous sort of lack of sync. So I did a bit of reading up online, and this flywheel actually serves two purposes. It's not just a flywheel, it also has down here a little pickup which detects a magnetic pulse. So there's under this little red bit here, I'm not sure if you can see it actually. Can you see that little nub there? That is one of the magnetic pickups. Now you get this on a lot of more modern machines, and to be honest I didn't think, because of the age, that this one, there's another one there, that this machine actually had them. But it does. And what these pickups do is they go over this sensor and they tell the system to phase between head A or head B. So for example, head A, and then a 180-degree turn for head B. What tends to happen, because when I started it was in this position here, these Allen keys can get loose, so it should be down there. So I tested it just now, and what happened was this actually came up slightly like that. So the sensor was too far away to actually detect head rotation. So if it doesn't detect head rotation, the machine immediately thinks, oh, no head rotation, shut down the machine, delace and shut everything down. But it looks like it hopefully is as simple as just tightening up this Allen key. So it was like that, we want it to be like that. What can also happen is the magnets can fall off. Thankfully these ones haven't fallen off, but that is apparently something that can happen. So we're going to tighten up this little Allen key here, as it was there. I'm going to put it down here. I'm going to tighten it up, see if that makes any difference. So I've actually taken the flywheel off so you can have a better look at what it looks like. And you've got the magnetic sensor there, or pickup there, and one there. Now if these have fallen off, hopefully there should be some residue left behind, but you will need to get them 180 degrees in place, sorry, in sequence, otherwise the deck itself won't work. So what we have is we have this assembly, we've got another Allen key here. Incidentally, the Allen keys are 2mm in size. So you can see here, this is the little pickup, and obviously if the sensor is too far away, it won't pick up. So what I've done is I've loosened this off, and I'm going to, it's only one way it can go on. So you have the flat part on here, and you have the flywheel here. So the flywheel drops on top like so, and it should be down at the bottom of its travel. So I'm just going to tighten this up. The trick for doing it is to actually remove the flywheel completely, clean the spindle, and tighten it as tight as it will go without stripping the actual Allen key nut itself. And then if we pull like this, it doesn't move. So that is firmly in place. Now one thing I thought it might be would be the heads, and I did say I had another pair of machines out in the shed. Those machines are Ferguson 3V, either 3V22s or 3V00s, one of the two. Pretty much the same machine. However, the 3V16 and the JVC 3660 have different heads. the heads on the Video Star Deluxe and also on this machine, same heads, but they differ. And the way they differ is they are of slightly better quality to effectively coincide with the trick facilities that this machine has. So they provide you with a better pause and slow motion, whereas obviously the 22 doesn't have pause or slow motion. This one does. So that would be the Mitsubishi, that would be the JVC 3300, I think. Yeah. Anyway, that's in place. That's not moving. Let's put this back on. Drop that into place. Like so. Let's get this panel put back on and give it a quick test. So this has been playing now for over 3 seconds. Now I wonder if I hit pause, if it'll actually pause. Yes, it does. Superb. The next challenge is, will it display a picture that isn't just all noise? So playback isn't fantastic. This is the test signal. It is quite possible that we have a problem in the RF stage. I'm unable to test composite because I don't have the relevant adapters, so I need to get the hold of the relevant adapters. And also there's a bit of warbliness on the sound, so I do wonder if there is possibly dry joints on the audio control head. However, it does pause and actually stops the tape. So yeah, it does. And it does seem to play back, so hopefully we're getting there with this machine. I was worried that the Syscon issue was just going to be too much to actually deal with, but yeah, hopefully we should be getting somewhere with this. So we still have some playback issues with this. I'm going to try it over a composite connection, just need to get the relevant cables, as I say. Anyway, getting a little bit further with this one. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit that like button, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to ring the bell, don't forget to do all the other things that they tell you to do. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.